Hi guys, Ride Pro here. Today we got 1997 Honda Goldwing Trike with the removable trike kit. So this bike can actually be ridden in two wheels or as a trike. Nice matched color there. Deep dark green, like a forest green. Just have a little bit of metallic to it. Have the chrome disc covers. Chrome front end and the fairing. Got the big slipstream windshield. Good front tire there. Looks like probably 60-70% tread left on it. Little chrome accents in the grills there, the side. Chrome accents on the lights. Chrome luggage rack. It's got brand new tires on the trike kit. Does have a hitch wired for lights and everything. Rear tire, if you can really see that there, it's probably about the same as the front, 70% tread or so. The lights on the hitch or on the trike kit. If you guys like to check out the listing and know more details about the bike, you can visit our website www.myridepro.com. or give us a call at 813-615-1700. We do have discounted shipping rates anywhere in the US, starting at $300, goes up from there. It does have 44,909 miles, looks like. Like I say, if you want to check out the listing, you go to www.myridepro.com or give us a call at 813-615-1700. Alright, thanks for checking it out.